I think it's not a question of wanting more. People are joining and are happy to be part of the National People's Party. And so obviously we welcome when people want to come in. And I've been very clear from day one to all our coalition partners that we have been working together for the last 8 years now almost. And we have been through ups and downs to thick and thin. And I must put on record at this moment that our coalition partners stuck with us. Yes, we had turbulences, we had differences, we had difficulties, but we stuck to each other. And I want to send a message to all of them that even now we are committed to our coalition partners, because it is not about short-term gains, but it's about long-term stability, long-term commitment, long-term development work, and overall long-term plans for the state. And that we can only achieve by ensuring that we are true to our words, we are true to our commitment, and that is the message that we would like to give to our coalition partners. Yes, we will have challenges, we will have differences, but it is important that we stick and we work together and fulfill our commitment.